Good morning, children. We are discussing the topic subject verb agreement or subject verb concord. Concord means agreement. We have already discussed these sentences. We had to select the subject and verb in these sentences. Some examples had already been discussed: singular words, plural words, and uncountable. I think you are quite aware about the word furniture and sugar. We had already discussed these exercises: countable singular, countable plural, and uncountable. We have discussed about this exercise E equal to mc square. This formula is there in physics. Physics is singular. 1 plus 1 plus equal to 2. It is this formula is used in mathematics. Mathematics is also singular. Other subjects have already been discussed. Some diseases have already been discussed. All are singulars. Other thing is very important: games and sports. कार्ड्स, प्लेइंग कार्ड, जैसे हम ताश खेलते हैं, तो बट इट इज सिंगुलर वर्ड एंड अदर यू सी द अदर nouns or subjects. We had already discussed the exercise given in the box. Today's topic, you see, there is only one item in figure first. This is called seers. Seers, you can never write seer. No, the word will be wrong. It is always plural. You cannot make it singular because this seer has two similar parts. Two parts, similar parts, and that is used to cut the wool of a sheep. Binoculars, you cannot see a single piece in a binocular to see an object. So binoculars have similar parts, two parts. That is why this is used. It is written binoculars and always it is plural. You cannot say the word is singular. Third item, that is plier, you generally use in the houses. These pliers has a two similar parts and used in by pliers called pliers. This is made of steel. Now you should see some other examples. What do you see on this in this picture? This is trousers, pajama. So there are two similar parts and you can see it is always written trousers. It is never written trouser. No, that will be wrong. See other examples. Uh, socks, socks. So, have you seen a person who has a sock in one foot? Never. It is not possible. Only a madman can use a sock in his single foot. So it comes always in pairs. So it is called socks. You can never write sock. So always found socks is always used as plurals. Other thing is tongues. So similar parts are there and always used as a plural. Other thing is goggles, glasses. Okay. So goggles have similar parts in pair, or other thing is slacks, never used as a singular word. You see scissors, similar part, two parts, and two parts make a scissors, makes scissors. Other thing is very important which you use in mathematics, compasses. Never write it. Never say compass. No. Always say compasses. So this is also plural. Now you see what has been written in the box. All the nouns in the above sentences take the plural verb. Me because these subjects, these nouns are always written in plural. So need need plural verbs. Now we shall discuss about the verb singular or plural. Look at the following two sentences. Which one is correct? You have to select. The family are happy. Is it right? You think I will not suggest to you because you know about family is a singular word. So you can never say the family are happy in their new home. No. So two things are wrong. Are and there. There is also plural. Where in the beginning you see the family is singular. Now you see the second sentence, the family is happy in its new home. So word use has been is has been used with family. So this is right because family is singular. Okay. The other word is its. So this is its is used always for singular singular noun, singular subject. Now you see other web chart. Correctness depends on whether you are referring to family as a single unit, e.g., the Gupta family, or as a collection of family people. So both are correct in different situations. Here are some more such words. Government. Okay, so both are correct. Government, but that depends on situation. Government is used as a singular, as a plural. You see here, Indian government, that is a singular. If you talk, so that this word depends on situation. What has been written in the web box, web chart, these nouns are usually used with both plural and singular verbs. Remember this. What are the words? Audience, company, public, council, crew, media, staff. Read again. These nouns are usually used with both plural and singular verbs. Okay? I think you shall remember these words. You shall always keep these words in your mind. If you use plural verbs, you will always be correct. But if you use a singular noun, you may be wrong. So, to be safe, use plural verbs with these nouns. So, to be safe, you should always use these nouns as a plural words. Okay? Government is plural. But if you say in a special situation, if you use the word Indian government, so I had I have added India or Indian to the government. So the word will be singular. Always keep in your mind. But you should always keep in your mind that these words are used as plural. Okay. Now you see, now work in pairs, write 5 questions using some of the nouns given in B above. Now you see question. When you have finished writing them, ask another pair your question which they must answer. Now you have to see the sentences, these sentences. Tennis is, just can you tell what is tennis? Tennis is singular word. So is correct or are is correct. You can select this. I have written for your help in the beginning. Tennis is correct. R is wrong. A popular game in India nowadays. Okay. Now see the second sentence. The media was or were. Just you have seen the word media, which is used always as a plural. Okay. So media was is wrong. The media were not accurate in their report. So you have to select the word where. I have done this for your help. Now you see the third sentence. The genes. Can you tell me? Genes is gene or genes. If you write gene, that will be wrong. So it is always written jeans. Just like trousers. Okay. Just like socks, googles. Okay. Just like slacks. So jeans is always written in plural. So the jeans my father brought from the USA does not fit me. Okay, I have done. So you have added es to do. By adding s or es, you make the verb singular. This is just opposite. Remember this. By adding s or s, you make the word plural. But by adding s or es, you can remember the sentence simple present. He goes, he comes, he is singular. Goes, you have added yes to go. Okay, so you have make the word singular. You have make the verb singular by adding s or yes. So this is just opposite. Now sentence 4, the staff is or are, just you have remembered. So staff are, the word staff is always plural. Are happy with their new pay rise. Exercise number 5, Mohan's spectacles was or were. So I have written it wrong. No, Mohan's spectacles were. This has been written wrong. No was. Cut it and where should be written. My Mohan's spectacles were lost on his journey to Gangtok. Diabetes, singular word. It needs has. This is right. Okay. Diabetes has left father very weak. Next sentence, the news was better than she expected. So I had already told you the word the news is sometimes it is used as a singular, sometimes it is used as a plural. So the news was better. There was only one news which was better than she expected. जो उसने उम्मीद किया था उसे अच्छा समाचार था वो. Next, 8. The public was spellbound. No, this is also wrong. Not was. Cut it. Cut it. No was. But you have to write the public were spellbound. Public मंत्रमुग्ध हो गई थी by the minister's speech. So, what wrong has been done? So, change question number 5 and 8. This has been wrongly done. Wrongly done. You can change it. Okay. Now the discuss. Will the following take a plural or singular verb? Why? A number of people, a couple of friends, half of us, the majority of the members of the committee, a gang of thieves. All are plural. Remember this. Circle the subject and connect it with the verb which follow it. The animals which escaped from the zoo have been captured. Animals is subject, verb have been. Okay, I think you have no problem. Clue. What has have been captured? The animals. कौन पकड़े गए थे? Animals. This is plural. तो have been is verb. Now you see the other example. The man I met yesterday while returning from the shops is an old friend of mine. The word use has been used. Is has been used for the man because there was a single man. Now next, the team. The team. Okay. Just you have seen. The team, after winning the match, have gone to Madras to play another match. So, subject is the team, verb is have gone. The furniture, you cannot never write furnitures, okay, which was brought in the auction shell has been polished and resold. So has been polished. This is verb. A visit to the various monasteries provides an insight into Buddhism. There are some other exercises, and these exercises have been done. This has all the sentences has been written wrongly, and you have to correct them. My mother, brother, younger sister. How many people are there? And I. There are four people. So, and I was watching. No, was no, where? Because there are four people, my mother, brother, younger sister, and I. How many people are there in the subject? Four people are there. So the word where will be done, written. Now you see the second sentence, the water. You know, this is uncountable. You can never count water. See this? The water collected by the volunteers was nowhere. Where is wrong? Was is right. Distributed to the people. Third sentence. I know men who, when they go, I know the men. I know the men. How many people are there? Many people. So I know men who, when they go away from home, takes, no takes, but take. Takes is wrong because takes is used only for singular subject. But in this sentence, subject is not singular, so plural. So you have to write take. Question number 4. The failure to launch an education drive by the civic bodies, okay, has resulted in the spread of malaria. What is the subject? The failure is the subject. The failure to launch an education drive by the civic. You should try to understand the meaning, and you will find the subject is singular. So have is wrong. So you have to use has. Now you see the sentence number 5. The book which was sold by the scouts. How many books? You can understand the subject is singular and the word where can never be used. So you have to mention was about Baden-Powell. Question number 6. The billions of little cells that make up the body is no. Try to understand the meaning of the subject. This is plural. So is wrong. So you have to mention are. In this way you can correct. The newspaper items that were read out was, so be careful. Try to understand the meaning. The newspaper items, not one item. There is not item. So many items in a newspaper. So was is wrong and you have to mention where. So in this way you can correct. The Sarmaj who were kidnapped by the dacoit. There was not one Sarma. No. If you write pathaks, so many pathaks, okay. Pandej, no. Sings. So in this way, the word sarmas have been written, has been written. The sarmas, it means the your subject is plural, who were kidnapped by the dacoit were rescued by the police. Dear children, such type of corrections are asked in your next examinations. These corrections are very important. Without knowing, without recognizing the verb, the subject, either it is singular or plural, you can never do such kind of exercises. And remember this, such kind of questions are asked in your competitive examinations also. If you sit in the examination of Bihar Public Service Commission or Central Public Service Commission, so you will need, if you sit in banking examinations, so such kind of corrections are asked. So always keep in your mind, you should have a list in your mind that either the word is singular or plural or countable or uncountable. So only countable nouns are singular or plural and others are uncountable nouns. So I think you will do better. But remember, in the previous page here, two sentences have been done wrongly. The last exercise number 8 I had already told you, and exercise number 5. So correct by yourself, and I think by learning this subject verb conquered, you will know a better grammar. In my next period, I shall discuss this chapter more. So on Monday, or you see, so in my next period, I shall discuss more about subject verb conquered. So I hope you are happy. You should be happy to know, to acquire knowledge. Thank you, bachon. Thank you, children. Thank you.